Hi everyone, good afternoon. Welcome back. So guys, as part of the today's lecture, I just want to show you how exactly I can turn off and turn on a Wi-Fi on a mobile device basically. On a real mobile device, how exactly I can turn on and I turn off. See, basically on a simulator, I don't have this Wi-Fi as a cell here, but I just opened a screenshot here to demonstrate that particular functionality. That's gonna be the mimic of that real device. See, on this particular settings screen, you do have an option Wi-Fi as a cell here. And if you navigate to the Wi-Fi, there is a switch basically using which if you tap on it, it will be off, and if you tap on it, it will be on. So there might be some kind of a question that Surendra, how exactly we are going to validate the switch status? I don't want to directly perform this operation. I just want to validate the status of the switch. That I will show you moving ahead. We can get the value of that particular switch and we can compare it, and based on the conditional outcome itself you can handle that. But for now, let's create this particular logic. So what I'm doing is, whichever the Bluetooth off logic is there, I'm just using that particular logic itself. Test Wi-Fi off. So here from this particular cells, I'm picking the Wi-Fi cell, and in the switches, whichever the Wi-Fi switch is there, I just want to click on that particular switch. Automatically the status will be toggled off. Okay, automatically the status will be toggled off. The same way if I use the same set of a logic, right? So here, so whenever I call this particular test Wi-Fi toggle status. Okay, for suppose if I call this piece of a code first time, whenever the Wi-Fi is on, automatically as it is performing the tap operation, automatically the Wi-Fi would be off. And if you come back again and if you call it, right, as the Wi-Fi is in an off state, when you call this piece of code, it will convert that into an on state. The same piece of a code can be used, the same piece of a code can be used to handle the on and off of a particular switch, and that can be handled, guys. Okay, perfect. And I will be adding a one more small lecture, based on a conditional comparison, how exactly I can change the status of a switch, that I will be adding in a next lecture. But now this is the way how exactly you can handle a Wi-Fi status. Guys, you can try it out on your real devices just with this piece of a code. And if you encounter any issues, feel free to let me know. Okay, thank you very much. Bye bye.